I nominated this person because they helped me to develop on a lot of skills that I've been working on over the last 3 years. But during this event that he organised, I was able to sort of put it in practically, and it helped me learn a lot more about what I can do from the skills that I've been developing on. Also developed on my studies by rather than just having the plain academic sort of teachings that there are. It was a much more practical way of learning, and I actually learned a lot more about American politics than I ever thought I'd learn, because I don't really like American politics that much. So, and yeah, the event was the Crisis Games, which was an amazing experience that I know a lot of people said it's a highlight of their time at university. I've only been this year, but I know others who've been there all 3 years. But I have to say, even though I've only been this once, I wish I'd been more, but it is the highlight of my time at university.